Let's learn animals and their food. Cat eats rat. Dog eats bone. Lion eats flesh. Monkey eats banana. Elephant eats sugarcane. Cow eats grass. Rat eats cheese. Sheep eats grass. Goat eats grass. Pig eats flesh. Tiger eats flesh. Bear eats honey. Hen eats grains. Frog eats insects. Butterfly eats flower. Horse eats gram. Giraffe eats grass. Penguin eats fish. Snake eats insects. Rabbit eats carrot. Let's learn animals and their homes. Cat lives in cattery. Dog lives in kennel. Lion lives in den. Monkey lives on trees. Elephant lives in forest. Cow lives in shed. Rat lives in hole. Sheep lives in pen. Goat lives in pen. Pig lives in pen. Tiger lives in den. Bear lives in cave. Hen lives in coop. Frog lives in pond. Camel lives in desert. Horse lives in stable. Giraffe lives in savannas. Buffalo lives in shed. Snake lives in hole. Cockroach lives in sewers. Spider lives in web. Ant lives in hive. Bee lives in beehive. Deer lives in bushes. Dolphin lives in ocean. Kangaroo lives in hollow tree. Rabbit lives in burrow. Yak lives in hills. Duck lives in water. Let's learn animals and their sounds. The sound of cat. The sound of dog. The sound of lion. The sound of monkey. The sound of elephant. The sound of cow. The sound of rat. The sound of sheep. The sound of goat. The sound of pig. The sound of tiger. The sound of bear. The sound of hen. The sound of frog. The sound of camel. The sound of horse. The sound of giraffe. The sound of peacock. The sound of snake. The sound of owl. The sound of sparrow. The sound of crow. The sound of bee. The sound of deer. The sound of rooster. The sound of kangaroo. The sound of rabbit. The sound of wolf. The sound of duck. The sound of donkey.